In today's demonstration, I will elucidate the procedure to ascertain all applications synchronized or associated with Google accounts. To begin, access any browser on your mobile device, personal computer, or Android device. Upon opening the browser, conduct a search for google.com. Once the search results are displayed, proceed to log into your Google account. Subsequently, click on your profile icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. From the displayed options, select Manage your Google account. Within the top menu, locate and click on the Security tab. Scroll down until you encounter the section labeled Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. To view all the third-party applications and services linked to your Google account, click on See All Connections. This comprehensive list will enable you to identify any applications or services you wish to unlink or remove. To achieve this, simply click on the desired application or service. Scroll down, and select Delete all connections you have with the app. Subsequently, click on Confirm to finalize the unlinking process.